Hello, welcome back once again, lovely people, to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the concept of limits. Limit is a branch of calculus. What does it mean? It means when we talk about the limit of a number, it means that number that a graph tends to get to. That point that it tends to get to, but it never gets to that point from either side. So limit of 2 can be 1.99999, but it never gets to 2. It can also be 2.0000000000111, but it will never get to 2. Now let's look at simplifying limit functions. As we go into further studies mathematics at university, we will also develop the concept of limits and also explain it further. For now, let's just go through evaluating this. They said evaluate the following limit of x cubed minus 8 as x tends to 2, or limit as x tends to 2 of x cubed minus 8 divided by x minus 2 all squared. Just like differentiation and integration, when you are given a limit function, is all about the same thing that we do under calculus. You have to simplify before you can evaluate. Remember, when simplifying both integration, differentiation, and limit, you keep the notation. You only drop the notation when you are done with your simplification. So let's go. Limit of this is the difference of 2 cubes, because this is also 2 cubed. So we will have first minus last into first all squared plus first times last minus last all squared, which is 2 all squared, all 4, all over. We also simplify the denominator. We expand it. So this is what we have. So this can cancel out this. We now go further to check. So this cancels out this. We now check. Is this still factorizable? If we have 4 minus 2, this is not factorizable. So we write x squared plus 2x minus 4 all over x minus 2, and that is the limit of the function as x tends to 2. So what do we do? Now we plug in the 2. So we have 2 all squared plus 2 times 2 minus 4 all over, sorry, this is 2, all over 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 will give us a 0. Anything divided by a 0, what happens to it? Anything divided by 0 is undefined. So we say that the limit does not exist. So for this function, the limit does not exist. Let's look at the second one quickly. If any limit is tending to infinity, if it tends to infinity, what we do is we check the variable with the highest exponent, and we divide both every section of the numerator and every section of the denominator with that variable with the highest exponent. So what do we do here? We don't need to simplify, we go straight into it. So the variable with the highest exponent is x cubed. We divide every section with that x cubed. And we have also, for the denominator, x cubed over x cubed minus 4 over x cubed. Now, if we plug in solving infinity here, anytime it becomes 0. So in order not to get 0 out of 0, we simplify first. This against this, we cancel out, so we have 3 here. If we plug in infinity here, x over this gives us 0. Plug in infinity here, okay, let me do the whole sum. This gives us x over infinity. That's what it should be, which returns a 0. Because infinity is not a number. This gives us 1. It's not a number that can divide anything. So here we will have, for this, we will have 3 plus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. So our answer is 3 over 1, which gives us a final answer of 0. Remember, whenever the limit is tending to 0, to infinity, divide with the variable that has the highest exponent. Divide both the numerator and the denominator with that variable, but simplify first before you check anyone that is not divisible. Wherever you still have a component of x in the denominator, it becomes a 0. So this is how we resolve limits. Please keep on sharing, and I encourage you to keep on working, and good luck with all your efforts. Don't worry, it will come out right. Just keep pressing on. Love you.